Hey guys, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos.
I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gifts, Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fists. But clearly I don't see myself up on that list. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. Oh, I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Oh, I want something just like this. I want something just like this. I've been reading books of old, the legends and the myths, the testaments they told, the moon and its eclipse, and Superman unrolls a suit before he lives. But I'm not the kind of person that it fits. She said, where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. Oh, I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do. Oh, I want something just like this. I want something just like this. Where'd you wanna go? How much you wanna risk? I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Do-do-do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do. Oh, I want something just like this.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent I'm here and I'm feeling fearless.
You can also check out my YouTube community posts. I update that daily, and if you are interested to see my homemade project, then you are most welcome. You can also follow me on Instagram to see my cool project which I make. And yeah, also you can check me on the like my Facebook page if you are not on Instagram. The link is in description.
Person you